Just wanted to show all the steps behind the scenes. Got a client who has a tree service and basically start from scratch as far as the way he's appearing online. We have to basically redo his whole website, and we have to basically go through and make sure everything's optimized. So as you see, his profile strength, it's about 75%. Customer interactions, 37, pretty low. You want to at least double that. It's about 60, 75 interactions. His phone number here, website here. It's the old website. And what I'm going to show is the reason why we need to update his website to get him to rank better. I did run some local reports on him. Let me see if I can do that real quick. So we're going to use local Falcon. Go to our reports. I'm going to filter business quality. There we go. So here's how he is coming up. And as you see, he is not really appearing for anything for his keywords. So we got a uphill battle. What's today's date? All right, it's like the end of January. So by the end of next month, hopefully this all will look a lot better. So we got best tree service, top tree care, professional tree removal, tree service companies. So what I'm going to do to get his project started is open up my chat. And what we're going to do is put all his information so we don't lose track of what we're doing into a project. Make sure it's not, I don't think we made one yet. I don't see one for him. I see Richmond. Let's go ahead and do a new project. All right, that's number one. And then we're going to add our files in from here. So we're going to start download as a PDF. Each one of these, let's see, top tree care. I don't think that's professional tree removal. That's a good one. I like to do about 4, maybe 6 keywords a month, just so we don't have all of our time wasted on a bunch of keywords. So let's go for our top keywords first. And the top keywords is stuff that people would probably type in if they're looking for his service. So we got tree service companies, tree care services, tree trimming companies in nearby areas, best tree service Woodstock. All right, so we got best tree service, professional tree removal, and 2 more coming. While we're waiting for that, I'll just go ahead and download. When I save my files, I like to put a keyword in the file so I'll know what it is about. It's 1, 2, 3, 3 service companies in Woodstock. Okay, and then best tree service Woodstock. Alrighty, so while we're building, I'm gonna have the GPT running in the background and doing what it needs to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these files. Oh, I need a system instructions. I'll come back and what I'll do is I'll get a prompt from HeyGen. Let's do it like that. Hey, I need a system instruction prompt for our new client, Quality Tree Care. Basically, it's for a project, GPT and ChatGPT, and we need this instruction to help us not only rank this company, but suggest key things that need to happen to make this tree service company stand out and rise above its competitors. It's embarrassing. Testing, can you hear me? I need a system prompt for my Chat GPT project. This project is for Quality Tree Care in Woodstock, Georgia. Basically, the purpose of this prompt is to instruct it to help us not only rank the business online, but also suggest key things that need to change in order to get this tree service to rise above its competitors. Okay, perfect. Keep in mind, my GPT is already trained on a lot of things that I do, so I don't really have to give it too much. As you see, it knows my brand, my company, like Telesync and everything like that, without me having to describe it. So that's really cool. Okay, all that's in there, and then let's add our files. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. 4. Default memory. Project can access memories outside chats and vice versa. This cannot be changed. It looks like there's no option other than default, so why would they? Let's just save. Perfect. We'll go ahead and talk to it. Hey, we are building the website from scratch. Basically, we already have the basic pages done. If you can just give me a website build or structure that would really help quality tree care, that'd be great. All right, so it's gonna read through the documents, and it's gonna give me a lot of things that I need. I'm just gonna go ahead and open up Lovable while it's doing that. And see without affecting the website. That's pretty cool. Tesla, that's pretty cool. You can test your databases. All right, so we're going over here. Below is a clean scratch but built to rank website structure for quality tree care. Your local Falcon shows scans that show currently not capture any of the top 3 map visibility, such as best tree services, best tree removal, 0, which means site structure needs to do 2 jobs: convert paid traffic now, and number 2, build topical plus location authority to lift maps visibility over time. Perfect. So we have a home, services, service areas, right? Reviews, gallery. So this is the silo structure I always recommend people do. So basically we have a home, about, services, reviews, money pages. Create 1 page per high intent service. Do not combine this into 1 long page. Perfect. A lot of hit pages need to be created. So this right here, the money page is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. 8, 9 optional. And then we got the local SEO pages, which is, like I was saying before, make sure you make your service area pages. So he's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 service areas. That's perfect. And rule service area page should link to the top 4 services. Yep, exactly. Content engine. We got a blog. Create a blog. Okay, great. And then navigation structure, simple, high converted. We got a header menu, service areas, and about. So this is the new one. We got to see quality tree care. Put a hyphen in it. Let's get rid of this. So we have the about. We got service areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 areas. Great. GPT says service areas should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what are we missing here? We're missing Roswell. And I think we're missing Alpharetta. So we're missing Alpharetta and Roswell. Not sure if he goes that far, but Woodstock, Canton, Holly Springs, Marietta, Ackworth. Let's try to keep it as close as possible. I don't think we should try and go for Roswell and Alpharetta now because it's really outside of his circle, but the GPT is saying, hey, make those pages. So I'll probably just make those pages just because GPT is recommended. So let's go to, he should have a service area page. He does not. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we were missing Roswell and Alpharetta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing Kennesaw, Roswell, and Alpharetta on the, what's it called? These pages are made. Great. So none of these pages have been made yet. It looks like. Great. All right. So it hasn't been made yet. So that'll probably be where we're at. Let's check on the service pages. See if that hasn't been made yet either. So no service page has been made. Oh, hold up. No, we do have service pages. Good. So, all right, good. We do have service pages. We have tree service removal. So we have core website, service, tree service removal. I think it should say service. I mean, service, then tree removal. Let me see what it says. So, no, it doesn't have to be like that. Services. That's how I like it. I like services. And then service areas. Right, exactly. Let me just go ahead and correct that because it has to be made like that. So I'll tell this chat, hey, I need you to create a main services page and also change the directory to / services, and then recreate the directories to make sure that every additional page is created as such with the main website / services / the particular service. Let me go ahead and read this. You create the main service page and also change the directory to quotations, and then recreate the directories to make sure every additional page is created as such with the main website services / particular service. The same, I'm gonna give it 2 tasks. The same with the location. I need a main service location page, service locations, and then service location page should be named main website.com says service location / location. Right, I think that's gonna be it. When we create the particular location service that we perform in that location, the directory should be made as follows: main website / service location / actual service. So I hope it understands that. Shit. And these are very great directories. Make sure everything is created with such as the main particular service. Same with locations. I need the main location page to be service locations. Yep. And then every service location page should be named as such. Main website / service location / location. Right. So it should be his website, service location. And then we should create a particular service that we perform in that location. The directory should be as follows: main website, service location / actual service. All right, good. So it says, understand you want me to research the entire URL hierarchy. Yep. For the website, the better organization and SEO. Perfect. It knows what I'm doing. Trying to do this SEO. For that, current structure, tree removal, locations, anybody. Desired structure, main services pages / services. Yep, we're gonna make a new page. Industrial services will be services, tree removal, services, tree trimming, services. Yeah, exactly. Main location page / service locations. Exactly, main page. And then individual locations, service locations, Woodstock. Right, exactly. Location specific service locations for yes, exactly. That's exactly how the silo should be. So I hope you guys learned something here. That is the basis of silo structure for your service website. I'm going to keep going here. If you guys want to stay tuned, look at the next video. I just wanted to show the first steps on when we get a new client and we're making a website for them, the bare minimum what you have to do in order to get them ranking within 30 days. All right, I'm going to keep going here. If you guys want to just watch another video. Thanks so much.